currently here at the Brokers Open. $22 million property. Check it. I've got Adolfo right here. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm just recording. Infinity pool with the views. Beautiful master bedroom. As you walk over here, you get the bathroom. Oh, they already got the espresso machine. Beautiful bathroom. As you can see, his and hers shower. Get the tub with the beautiful view again. Beautiful chandelier. You have toilets on both sides over there and over there as well. Walk this way. Got kind of like this library entrance into a very big walk-in closet, as you can see. A lot of detail. So from every room, you have a view in this property, as you can see. I like this statue right here. Let's take you guys up here. Beautiful chandelier again in the middle. Another beautiful view of LA. So, come back down. Got the tri-mirror right here. You can see everything. Alright. We'll do the master bedroom again. We're gonna take you into the living room. Crazy chandelier. See the wallpaper, how it looks. Beautiful. Take you over here, we got another restroom. Check out this sink. It's like a bean. Another bedroom. Electric stove. Everything is como guys.